Hi everyone and welcome to Beat the Rush. Today we're making roasted butternut and pumpkin spice waffles. Whisk 2 eggs. Add 1 cup of roasted butternut puree. I'll leave my recipe in the description box below. Add half a cup of soy milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Whisk until combined. Add half a cup of oat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Mix until combined. Heat the waffle iron and brush with vegetable oil. Spread half a cup of batter over the waffle iron for each waffle. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Transfer to a wire rack to cool, otherwise they won't stay crispy. I like mine with a drizzle of honey, but by all means enjoy them with your favorite toppings. Recipe is linked in the description box below. Josie says subscribe for more vegetarian recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.